Freshwater fish are a great option. Number one, they tend to be less expensive than ocean fish. Number two, they tend to have a milder flavor. So for picky eaters who don't like fishy fish, freshwater may be a good option. I'm going to start here with trout, and this is rainbow trout. You can see it's got this kind of speckled skin here. And trout that spends its entire life in freshwater, and this is from Idaho, so it doesn't get into the ocean, tends to have a lighter color. And it can be called rainbow trout, brook trout, lake trout, and the flesh is a white or maybe a light yellow. For the orange flesh, now this is steelhead, and you see the skin on this. This is a fish that is born in freshwater rivers, goes into sea, and then comes back to the rivers to spawn. It has a stronger flavor than the rainbow, but not as strong as salmon, which is its cousin. Next up, catfish. Now, catfish really needs a reputation overhaul. First of all, it is not muddy tasting. Yes, some imports from Asia that are wild caught may not be great, but the farmed fish that you buy that's raised in the United States is clean, beautiful, it's inexpensive, it's mild, it's got a great texture. Fry it or saute it. And finally, the last thing on the table is the tilapia, and I'm probably the most excited about the tilapia because it's widely available. In fact, it's now the number 4 most popular seafood in the US after shrimp, tuna, and salmon. And it's meaty, it's got a sort of mild flavor like flounder, but it's inexpensive. It's maybe $9 or $10 a pound. Those other fish that it's compared to, let's say red snapper or flounder or bronzino, often are twice as much. And when we did a blind taste test of all these mild white fish, it came in second, right behind haddock, and beat those other fish I mentioned, including flounder, as our favorite. So tilapia is something you should definitely consider when you're shopping for fish. In fact, all of these freshwater fish prove there are plenty of options that aren't just swimming in the sea.
If you're ready to take your cooking to the next level, try our digital all-access membership, where you can stream every season of Cook's Country anytime. Scan the QR code or head over to cookscountry.com to sign up for a free trial.
And let's make something great together.